All right, this is after day 2. I got the panel box rewired. We just took out the old LB and conduit that was here and replaced it with this box, which you guys saw yesterday. That was part of day 1's project, along with digging this trench. We also got most of the 2-aught wire ran. They just need to be brought into their respective box, the disconnect, the panel box, and then over here to the Smart Cube. But Smart Cube's mounted, conduit all hooked and glued together. So moving along, slow work. In the previous video I mentioned that we installed the box and conduit. However, I failed to mention why this section hasn't been ran, and that's because we're missing parts. We need to go get an expansion joint and some 1.25" bits, because we have this wire that was ran to the shed that has been in 1.25", and we need to go remake his connections so he can come into the box and then up an LB into the panel box. So that's what we're missing there, and then we just need to build the 2 stacks here to bring us to the disconnect, and all that should be good. Hopefully we can get that done today. If not, that's going to be tomorrow's project. All right, but signing off.